Kitchen is Chef Poul. With me today, Chef Amy.
Hi.
And Chef Alex.
Hello.
Everybody's out of bed, everybody's not working. This is a great day. And do you know what this is a great day for?
Cookies.
What type of cookies?
Chocolate chip.
Chocolate
with
chip.
peanut butter.
Chocolate chip peanut butter.
That's right. I was expecting Amy to say something about a white wedding.
No.
So before we begin, please hit that like, share, subscribe button. I hope you guys enjoy this. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with 2 eggs. And if Amy gets too mouthy, we're just going to throw them at her.
No.
And if you want a smaller batch, just use 1 egg.
Yeah, I'm making a double batch because Alex really would like some too.
We want to share.
Then I've got 2 cups of smooth peanut butter. We do not need crunchy, but if that's what you have, that's what you have.
This is extra creamy.
This is extra creamy, which I think will go really well. Get what you have. If you have peanut butter and you would rather use crunchy, then by all means. While I'm doing this, please take a moment, go to our website, www.paulskitchen.com. On the top right hand, you'll see our books. You can donate, and you can search different recipes that we've made. I'm working on a cookbook right now for diabetic safe desserts. I'm not adding any sugar to this. None at all. Everything that I have is sugar-free. Yes, peanut butter has its own natural sugars in there, but that's not the same as like incorporating actual sugar into anything.
No.
It's very different. And this is 1 cup of sugar-free chocolate chips.
And by the way, you don't need any flour for this.
No,
None.
And then we're just going to add a little sprinkle of salt.
No salt.
It's no salt, no sodium to it. And this is 1 cup of stevia. And it's actually low salt, not no salt.
It's Truvia, isn't it?
No, the salt.
No, I'm talking about the...
Well, stop changing the subject. We're talking about salt. This is low salt. You can also get no salt, or you can also get no salt as well. That's what we have right at the moment.
I just wanted to do a close-up in case anyone's curious of what kind of salt it is.
And this is Truvia, yes, but it's a brown sugar stevia mix. So what we're going to do here now is we're going to take a moment, or 2, or a bunch, and we're going to mix everything really good. This is the part where it's going to be a little annoying. It's actually a really easy recipe. It's not that hard. I've got the oven preheating to 375 degrees, and this is probably going to give quite a big batch of cookies. So,
Yay.
And how long do you bake them for?
8 minutes.
That's it?
That's not long at all.
That's it. There's no flour, so there's really no risk of the carbs and everything coming in here. So it should work out really well.
Yeah.
That's good because carbs turn to sugar, and some people might not know that.
Yeah, and Jess, this is something safe. Josh, you can make this. Not hard. Just make sure your parents are with you when you do the oven bit.
Right.
Don't do that on your own, Josh. But I dedicate this to you guys because, I know you guys, Josh and Jess, I know you both really like your cookies. I'm assuming you do, Josh. And if you don't, we'll have to have a word with your father about that. Every kid likes cookies. So I got a baking tray right here, lined with parchment paper.
It already smells really good.
Oh, they smell amazing. I'm not a baker. I'm not somebody who bakes a whole lot, but every now and again it's nice to have.
You can use a fork to smush it down, too, after.
Yeah, that's the plan. So I'm just making small cookies because, well,
They don't need to be big.
don't need to be big. And I'm going to be using a fork in a minute. So we're going to bake this for 8 minutes, but here's the trick here. You have to leave them sit for half an hour.
Oh.
Okay.
They have to cool completely down because they do take time for that.
Yeah, and you don't want to burn your mouth.
No.
You don't, and you will. So Amy,
Mm-hmm.
you're not an exception to this. It has to sit for a half an hour.
Mm-hmm.
I know there is chocolate involved,
Mm-hmm.
but you got to resist the temptation here.
Yep.
Amy's quite the cookie monster when it comes to chocolate. She don't hold back. She wants her chocolate. You want to leave them lined out like this a little bit more than you think you should, and that's all right because they're going to expand a bit.
Get a cup with water. That will usually help if it starts to stick.
And hopefully by the time I'm ready here, it'll be
The oven will be ready.
where are we at now? Oh yeah, we're
Yeah, it's pretty close.
so this is going to ding here in a few seconds. We're going to throw this in here. We're going to set a timer for 8 minutes, and we're going to look. We're going to watch this. In fact, I'm going to station Amy right here, and her whole job for the next 8 to 10 minutes is pay attention to this. Right? See? Amy's just excited because she wants cookies.
I want to try.
That's all she wants. So please hit the like, share, subscribe button. We're going to be back shortly. When these are out of the oven, I'll show you what they look like. And so we'll be back. Welcome back. So we're done. Well, I mean, we got one left in the oven there. So we've got this note here. We're going to let this out for 30 minutes. Do not touch for any reason for 30 minutes. And once they're done, you're good to go. How do these look, Alex?
They look really good.
Amy?
Excellent.
These look really good?
Mm-hmm.
So you can't touch this.
No.
Can't touch this. Let them sit. They're really hot. They need to cool down. They might be a little soft right now, but they should be fine. Depending on your oven, you may need to put them in a little longer. Everybody's going to be a little different. Not a big deal. But since we're using parchment paper, they shouldn't stick. Should be really super easy. Someone's going out. Someone's staying with me. Amy might get half of one. We'll see if she's a good girl.
Really?
If Amy's a good girl, she can have some cookies. But anyways, please hit the like, share, subscribe button. Visit our website, www.poulskitchen.com. Check us out. Thanks for coming.